Is it safe to use a mouthwash on a daily basis for a prolonged period of time? Hi, this is Dr. Jayalakshmi, Mitran Dental, Adayar, Chennai. This is one of the commonest questions that I get to face on my daily practice. Patients usually ask me whether it is safe to use a mouthwash throughout the year. The straight answer to it is no. Definitely, it's not advisable to use a mouthwash for a prolonged period of time on your daily basis. First thing is that the purpose for which you will have to use a mouthwash has to be ruled out, and it is always advisable to take your dentist's advice before starting on any mouthwash, because basically if you look at all these mouthwashes, they have chemical components in it which serve as therapeutic agents. For example, somebody could be suffering from sensitivity of teeth and for which they will want to use a mouthwash. In such a case, it is advisable to use a desensitizing mouthwash, but that too not for a prolonged period of time, because even this desensitizing mouthwash could not be effective after 6 or 8 months of time, because the reason for the sensitivity has not been ruled out and it is not being treated. So it's always better to rule out the reason for the sensitivity of the teeth and get it treated. Or somebody could be suffering from lot of caries, that is cavities in the teeth. So for which, to arrest the cavity or spread of cavity, somebody could be want to use a mouthwash. So in such a case, you could be suggested on an anti-cavities mouthwash. What actually happens in anti-cavities mouthwash is that it has increased concentration of fluoride when compared to regular mouthwashes. In such a case, you can better opt for a toothpaste which has a better concentration of fluoride rather than using a mouthwash for a prolonged period of time. Or it could be that for general dental hygiene, you will want to use a mouthwash. So in such a case, it's better to use a mouthwash for 3 months, stop that and switch to rinsing your mouth with warm water and salt dissolved in it. It's one of the safest mouth rinses that which you can use for a prolonged period of time. What you do is you take some warm water and in that you can dissolve some salt and use it as your mouth rinse. It is something which is very safe to be used for prolonged period of time. You could use it even for the entire year. What happens when you use a mouthwash for more than a year is that even the mouthwashes causes staining of teeth. So you can start to have stains from mouthwash. At the same time, your taste buds get affected and you might start to have altered taste when you use mouthwash on a regular basis. So it's always advisable to use a warm salt water for rinsing. I hope this video is of help to you. Thank you.